Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how you can clean your charging port at home. And please, if your phone stop taking charge, don't go to repair shop and replace your charging port. First, try to clean your charging port at home. You can see it's not taking charge. You only just need the pin and the little bit of alcohol. When you put the alcohol, it will soften the rubbish dust in inside the charging port. After that you can remove the dust or rubbish, whatever you call, take out easily. You can see how filthy the charging port was inside. The charging port is almost clean, but we will clean little bit more. Clean the charging port with the help of pin very carefully. You may damage the charging port. Now it's time to check the charging port. You can see it's working now. Thank you so much.